Hello students, Master Cadre Subject English. This is the ninth part of our MCQ series. Let's start MCQ first. Semiotics meaning. Options are the study of emotions, the study of language, the study of poetry, the study of signs and symbols. The answer is D, the study of signs and symbols. MCQ second. Who is the author of The Less Deceived? Options are Ted Hughes, Stevie Smith, George Eliot, Philip Larkin. The answer is D, Philip Larkin. MCQ third. In Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy, who speaks for the poet himself? Options are Neander, Critias, Eugenius, Lycidius. The answer is A, Neander. MCQ fourth. The relevance of behaviorist psychology of language learning was cautioned by. Options are Skinner, Chomsky, Fries, Haldres. The answer is B, Chomsky. MCQ fifth. Which of the following was not pen name of Walter Scott? Options are Jabathia, Salis Botham, Lawrence Templeton, George Orwell, Captain Clutterbuck. The answer is C, George Orwell. Question 6. The three-term label for consonant B is. Options are voiceless bilabial fricative, voiceless bilabial plosive, voiced nasal affricate, voiceless nasal fricative. The answer is B, voiced bilabial plosive. MCQ 7th. You can use a language effectively even if you don't know how to. Options are listen and speak, read and write, its grammatical rules, listen and read it. The answer is B, read and write it. MCQ 8th. English is a. Options are stressed timed language, speech timed language, accent timed language, syllable timed language. The answer is A, stress timed language. MCQ 9th. A speech sound is also known as. Speech sound is also known as. Options are consonant, grapheme, phoneme, morpheme. The answer is C, phoneme. Question 10th. The grammar translation method of language teaching emphasis of following skills. Options are reading and writing, speaking and writing, listening and speaking, reading and listening. The answer is A, reading and writing. Question 11th. The structuralist method of language teaching was influenced by the ideas of. Options are Edward Spain, Noam Chomsky, Ferdinand de Saussure, none of the above. The answer is C, Ferdinand de Saussure. Question number 12th. The first version of John Milton's Paradise Lost, published in 1667, consisted of dash books. The options are 10, 13, 11, 12. The answer is A, 10. Question 30th. Who coined the phrase egoistical sublime? Options are Shelley, Milton, Wordsworth, Keats. The answer is D, Keats. Question 40th. The term objective correlative or objection correlation appears in the essay. Options are metaphysical poets, tradition and individual talent, function of criticism, Hamlet and his problems. The answer is D. Hamlet and his problems by T.S. Eliot. Question 15th. Which one is not a term class used by Arnold in Culture and Anarchy? Options are Hellenists, barbarians, populace, Philistines. The answer is A. Hellenists. Question 16th. David Copperfield is written by. Options are Charles Dickens, Joseph Conrad, Charlotte Bronte, James Joyce. The answer is A. Charles Dickens. Question 17th. As You Like It, written by. Options are Marlowe, Woolf, Shakespeare, Spenser. The answer is C. Shakespeare. Question 18th. Animal Farm is written by. Options are George Eliot, Philip Larkin, George Orwell, Doris Lessing. The answer is C. George Orwell. Question 19th. A Passage to India is written by. Options are I.A. Richards, James Joyce, E.M. Forster, Joseph Conrad. The answer is C. E.M. Forster. Question 20th. Who is known as Wizard of North? Options are Walter Pater, Samuel Richardson, Walter Scott, Joseph Conrad. The answer is C. Walter Scott. Students, if you understand and like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel Preparation with RJ. Also like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.